We will transform these jeans into a wallet.
You mean jeans wallet?
First, cut the lower leg. Measure it. It's 7 by 8.5 inches.
Let's mix it with another fabric and stitch it. But since we are lazy, just cut it.
Trace the fabric using the 7 by 8.5 inches fabric. But make sure to leave some allowance for stitching later.
Grab the other leg, cut it by 2.5 by 7.5.
And also 7.5 by 3.5 inches.
Fold it inside before stitching it twice, just like this.
For the yellow fabric, it's 3 by 7.5 inches.
After doing the ID compartment, stitch it in between for us to give a 4 compartments.
Stitch the edge.
Grab the other fabric that is 8 by 9.5 inches. Stitch it at the bottom with the inner fabric facing upward.
Cut some excess fabric and stitch them on its side.
Stitch the fabric from earlier together with the wallet so that it will be the cover.
Just like how you cover a book. I guess you can mimic that, but instead of using a tape, stitch it. we're done.
1, 2, 3.
If you like this video, we have some here for you.
Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell.